Now you will see how to use automated trading bots for Exness. I will show you an example by finding free trading bots. And I will show you easier trading bots that are directly available for free on different trading platforms. For example, on Bybit you can simply click here create. Choose the amount right here, click here create now and the bot will be up and running for you. I will leave you direct links in the description right here below the video for the best trading platforms that provide built-in trading bots and nice welcome rewards for you, so you can check them out as well. But first, let me show you what you will need to use trading bots for Exness. First of all, you will need an Exness account, and you can do this using real accounts with real funds or a demo account. I recommend that you will start with a free demo account so you can learn the process first for free. You can get it by coming into Exness, then go into My Accounts, click for demo, and then here open account. Then you can choose your account type. There are standard accounts and then there are professional accounts. Let me choose this account type 0, but you have the freedom to choose which account type you want to use. Then I click here continue, and here you can choose again between demo and real. My recommendation for most people is to start with demo. Here you can choose which currency you want for your account and the starting balance. You can choose here whatever starting balance you want because this is a demo account. Let me just put here some numbers to illustrate to you the point. Then you can create the nickname for your account. I put here Exness Bot as an example. You can choose here maximum leverage. For beginners, of course, I recommend a small leverage, but let me just put here for example purposes unlimited. Here you can choose trading platform MT5, MT4 or Exness. In this case we will use MT5 because we will be using the bots. And here you will choose your trading password, and here are the instructions for creating this. Notice that your trading password will be different from your overall Exness account password. So I will create my password here and click here create account. Here is the account that I just created in front of your eyes, and now afterwards you can still adjust the balance. You can click here set balance and let me add here for example 1 0 and I will change this into 2. I click here set balance, then I will refresh the page and you will see it will update here. Here is the new balance. That's the first thing, having an Exness account. The second thing that you will need, as it says here, MetaTrader 5, because here on the Exness terminal you are not currently able to use trading bots in the same way like you can use with MetaTrader 5. So you can type on Google, download MetaTrader 5. You can click right here and choose your device. For example, if you are using Windows, you click right here. If you are using Mac, you click here, and you can also get it on your phone. However, if you want to use the trading bots, you need to have a computer because you cannot run MT5 bots on the phone. If you want to use trading bots on your phone, then you can use other trading platforms like Bybit and MEXC, because with these ones you can easily run the bots even on Apple or Android phones. I show you more details in my other videos here, and I will leave you links in the description for Bybit and MEXC as well. Then last but not least, you also need to have MQL5 account. Then this is for downloading bots. I will show you more details of this in a moment. Once you have downloaded MT5 on your computer, you open it. And then you come here into File and you click here Open an account. This is when you are a new user. And here you will choose your server. And now you are wondering, how do I know which is the best one? You come back to your Exness account and then you click these 3 dots. You click here Account Information. And here you will see your Exness server and also the login ID. Since I have already once opened an account, I may find it right here on the file and log into trade account. And here I can click this drop down menu right here, and then I will start searching. Do I find the same Exness? Let's go back here to check. Exness MT5 trial 12. And here, did I see the same one up here? Exness MT5 trial 12. So you need to be careful with that one. Then put the login ID right here. Again, go back here. It's this one, login ID. Then you type your password right here. You click here OK. And you can see it log into your Exness account. You can also see it on the top right here, demo account Exness, and here is your account ID on the left hand side. Now let's start finding the trading bots. I have chosen here trading pair euro versus US dollar. Then I right clicked here for the chart window and here I see it. And now how to find the bots? You can come here into view and then you can open this navigator. For me it has already been opened. Let me click here. You can see it hide the navigator and now it opens the navigator. And here you will see this thing called advisors and market. They are under these expert advisors. So these expert advisors are basically the trading bots. How to find them? You can also click this one, open MQL5 market. So this is why I told you earlier, you need to have MQL5 account. So you click this market and you can see it opens it here. We can switch between the tabs, market, and here is my trading. If you have this challenge like it shows up here, you can simply right click and close and now you are again trading. But let's go for the market, and here you notice that there are paid bots, some of them pretty expensive, and then there are also free bots. And I want to give you a quick word of warning. The fact that some bots are very expensive doesn't mean that they would be somehow better than free or cheaper ones. Sometimes free bots may provide better results than expensive bots, so don't blindly look on the price. If you don't have an account yet on MQL5, it will walk you through the account creation process. I choose here free, and now you can choose which free bot you want to use. When you click for any of them, it will open this, and here it explains the description on how the bot works. It explains the strategy on how it trades. Often it tells you which trading pair is optimized for. For example, here designed and optimized for euro versus US dollar. And here it gives even more information. For example, the recommended setup, euro versus US dollar, time frame M1, account time, leverage, minimum, and VPS strongly recommended. And then of course there is a disclaimer on the bottom. If I show you the second example, you can click this one right here. This one is for XAU USD, so basically gold and USD, and here we say 5 minutes. And I would recommend mostly ignoring this rating system because they can be always artificially manufactured, but you can take a look at it. Maybe there is something interesting for you in the review section. And here again you can read more about the strategy, about the settings, and even more. And again, VPS highly recommended, that you will find probably for all or at least most of these bots. If you want any of the bots, you can simply click here and you click here download. You can see it starts downloading, and that's it. We have the scalper right here. You can see market, and here is the Save Scalper Pro. And if I close this, click here close, now I'm able to use it. I could drag and drop it right here on the window. If you are wondering what is that VPS that they are recommending, it's this one right here, VPS, Virtual Private Server. You don't need VPS when you are testing things and you want to see that the bots just work. But if you want to do this professionally and you want to let the bot run automatically even when you close the computer and everything, then you would need it. This is of course another example why using bots through MetaTrader 5 or Exness rather than through a built-in platform is more advanced. Because if I use a Bybit trading bot, I don't need to buy any VPS. I simply set it up right here even with 1 USDT. I click here create now, and it will be up and running. Same with MEXC Bot. I click here create, I choose the amount right here, click here create, and it will be up and running. Exness and MT5 bots are much more advanced and they require these monthly subscriptions for VPS. Let me close this VPS, and now you want to open the right chart window for the right trading pair. So if you would want to open a different, you can click here chart window and you can see it shows up right here, and you can switch here between the windows. And now you can drag and drop your trading bot to the chart window. So you can open here, drag and drop, and you can see it opens a pop-up. Let me show it fully. And here this box is important: allow algo trading, algorithmic or bot trading. And then the second thing, you can click here for inputs, and here you are able to change the settings of the bot to your liking. Then I click here OK, and you can see the bot here, but still there is something important. Here you can see it's red, and if I click for experts, you can see the information about the expert advisors. If I click this, you can see now it's enabled. If I click again, you can see what happens. It's disabled when it's red. So let's move it green, and now you can see it's enabled and the bot is up and running. And here on the trade, you will see the trades that the bot executes, and here you can see what kind of results the bot will be generating. On the history tab, you can see also the previous trades of the bot as well. If you set up your bot and it's not trading immediately, you want to check a couple of things. First of all, do you have the correct settings? Do you have, for example, M1 when that was recommended? Second, you want to check that this button is right here. Third, you may want to right click again and click for expert list. Then click here for properties, and here check out the inputs. Is everything correct or not? And also keep in mind that some strategies trade faster, even in a couple of minutes or seconds. Meanwhile, some bots with long-term strategies may take even hours or even days to execute the first trades. When you want to close your bot, you can simply click here algo trading, make sure it's red, and here it says automated trading disabled. You have noticed a couple of challenges, especially for beginners. First of all, Exness mostly focuses on the short-term high-risk trading, which causes beginners to lose. And that of course means that for most people, MT5 bots are not the best option, because trading with Exness is high risks and relatively complicated. And that's why for most people I recommend easier bots that you can find, for example, on Bybit, DCA right here. Again, click here create. You will see DCA bot right here. You can start even with 1. You can choose the trading frequency right here, even 1 hour. You can click here create now, and the bot will be up and running for you. If you don't know about Bybit, it's number 2 ranked crypto trading platform in the world with over 85 million users worldwide, and they provide multiple built-in trading bots available on this platform, even with AI strategies. A second great example is MEXC, because they have zero fee trading available. Here is the proof on their website. You can see zero fees for hundreds of different trading pairs. MEXC is also one of the top trading platforms in the world. And just to give you a quick proof of the zero fee trading, I have chosen here BTC USDC, zero fees. I scroll this one, I click here buy BTC, ordered successfully. I click here for trade history, and here you can see the trade BTC USDC buy, and here fee was 0. And MEXC has also been adding these great bots, for example spot DCA right here, perfect for beginners. Click here create DCA bot, choose the amount starting from 1, click here create plan, and the bot will be up and running for you. If you want to get even more great trading platforms with easier built-in trading bots, I have collected for you a guide that you get as a free gift as my YouTube viewer. You put your email address here, you click here sign up, and I will send this to you for free. And again, I will leave you links and resources in the description right here below the video with the great welcome rewards. The first one, Bybit. When you click it, you will land right here and see the details of your welcome rewards and get your welcome gifts right here.